In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted junk emails in Outlook. We all know how overwhelming it can be to open your inbox only to see it cluttered with junk mail. Luckily, Outlook offers a robust set of tools to help manage and reduce the influx of unwanted messages. So, let's dive into the steps that you can take to clean up that inbox and regain control over your email experience. First, open up your internet browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. This is where you'll be doing the majority of the work today. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign into your account. Click on the sign in button and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in the necessary information and then click Next to proceed onto your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. It might look like a small gear, and it will open a host of options for you. Click on it, and from here, navigate to the Mail section. Once you're in the Mail settings, look for the link or button labeled Junk Email. In the Junk Email menu, you'll see several options for customizing how you want your incoming emails to be handled. This is where the real magic happens. You have control over how rigorously Outlook screens your incoming mails. You'll notice there is an option to choose either Standard or Strict. Standard might let a few dubious messages through, which is great if you don't want to miss any potentially important emails, albeit from unfamiliar sources. However, if you're determined to dodge all unwanted emails, then selecting Strict is the way to go. Now let's move on to security options. Here, Outlook gives you the ability to block emails from unknown sources, as well as any suspicious attachments or embedded pictures. If that sounds appealing, go ahead and check these options. There's also an option to trust emails from your contacts. This helps you ensure that the people you communicate with frequently aren't mistakenly filtered into the junk folder. In addition to these settings, you can also block certain senders and domains. This is a handy feature if there are specific addresses or domains that persistently send you spam. Simply add them to your block list, and those emails won't trouble you anymore. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, don't forget the most crucial step of all, saving your changes. There's usually a save button on the screen to store all your effort. Once you hit save, your new junk mail settings will take effect. And there you have it. With these steps, you've significantly enhanced your email security and streamlined your inbox.